In this video, I will show you how to deposit crypto from Binance to VT market. So go to your Binance and then click withdraw option. This is the withdraw. After that, if you want to deposit BNB, click BNB from here and then send via crypto network. Choose this option. After that, you have a BNB Smart Chain, choose the network, you have this address, and then go to your VT markets, go to deposit option. After click on deposit, choose a cryptocurrency. Friends, in this case, choose cryptocurrency, enter your amount you want to deposit, and then write your address, copy this address, friends. This is the address. You should copy your address from your BNB and then paste on your account here, and then write your amount you want to deposit. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.